Yeah, this just says nature trail. Alright, we're gonna walk this little nature trail right here. What do you see on this side?
Racket River Blue Way Trail. Points of interest. Shows Buttercup.
Oh, nice.
Winter Carnival, snowmobiling in the winter. And then just a little bit of the Racket River.
Nice. I think there's a snowmobile trail right here. I think that shows where you go. So we are back at this little Jennings Pond nature trail.
Is that what it's called?
I think it just said nature trail on the map.
That's what it says there.
So, right. We actually did come here a couple weeks ago, but the camera was acting weird and the footage is gone, so ghost in the machine, I don't know. So we're back. And I'm taking a risk. I'm not wearing a hat or a head net, so we'll see how we do.
There you go.
These are some bears that they pass out from time to time for people to decorate and put places. Oh gosh, there's other people.
So, Long Lake Nature Trail.
Okay, the Long Lake Nature Trail. So that's what it's called. It's another lovely day today. It's 70 degrees.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Ish. Yeah.
Yeah, this trail's nice. It's well maintained. There's a nice view coming up.
Yeah, I think people launch canoes from these sometimes. I'm pretty sure it also said that on the map at the beginning.
Oh, looks like an easy spot.
Yeah, it's like basically gravel. Like they set it up just for this.
One house with the best view.
Yeah, no kidding.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight.
Water's really clear.
Forgo.
I don't see any fish.
Give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you.
There are other people on the trail, and I immediately became self-conscious.
They're walking the other way.
Yeah. They had what looked like a nice-looking dog.
Yeah. Well, here comes a sign. This will tell us a little bit about this section.
Wonderful realm of water. We've seen these guys on trails before.
All right. Interesting. Yeah, this trail just goes from the public parking area near the library and starts there and winds up at the Adirondack Hotel. And it's easy to walk. You can walk back and forth or no problems at all. It goes behind the school. It's a nice short walk. Easy to do, even when it's wet, it doesn't get muddy. It's a nice trail, nice and wide.
Yes, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh,
That's another good view.
Ooh. This is just more stuff we might see.
Yep, now this is talking about the woods. Salamanders, deer, mushrooms, soil, Millipedes, humans, balsam fir trees.
Well, we've definitely seen humans. This is kind of an interesting way for a tree to grow. You can just barely, like right there, see some kayaks.
Oh, there's a fish right there.
Where?
Right there. See if you can get it on camera. See if I see that log.
Oh,
It's
yes.
moving away now. Bluegill, it looks like.
I'm not sure I'm getting it because I can't
Oh, there's
really see
another
the
one coming,
display.
Yeah, there's a bunch now. They all see you. Oh, see, there's 3 of them right there.
I see. Oh, yes. I see another one swimming up. Oh, yeah. I do see all 3. Right there, above my finger, you can see kayaks. And that's another Paradise Cove. And you can rent kayaks there. And they've got like pastries and coffee.
Pudding,
apparently. Any observations of the trail?
oh, gentle incline, nothing major. And big rocks off to the side.
Yeah, I feel like this is something you could probably push a stroller on or pull a wagon. Do you think?
Yeah, oh, easy. Yeah, the bugs aren't even out today.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, it's a perfect day. Oh, we're probably over halfway, huh?
Yeah, I think we have one more sign.
A lot more people in town today. Nice weather.
Holiday weekend.
Holiday weekend brings everybody out. Even the campground's almost full.
Yeah, that was a surprise.
Sites I've never seen anyone on. People are camping out.
Alright, the history of Jennings Pond. So the town board voted to spend $3,000 to create this by flooding 35 acres of wetland. So it was a WPA job and men worked 3 days a week for $9. The winter was the coldest I ever remember. We had temperatures as low as 54 degrees below zero. Jeez. Oh, we've got a little hitchhiker. Focus on him. What kind of bug? Ooh, there he goes. Yeah, so right there, they've got pastries, they've got coffees, they've got pudding.
All good. Check it out. Nice little bridge, well maintained. I think Adirondack Hotel's right around the corner. Good place to stop for something to eat, get a drink, or stay overnight.
Yeah, they've got a great hamburger. What else have we? Good fish fry.
Well, their food's pretty good.
Yeah,
They do barbecue every once in a while too.
they do. And they've got like a nice outdoor seating, like a deck, and they've got their front porch that you can sit on. It's very nice, nice lake views.
There it is.
There's the hotel.
Yep, that's where the trail comes out. Right across from the beach. Haven't seen any planes yet this year, but normally there's 2 airplanes that you can charter for a view around the lake and the surrounding areas.
Yeah, Helms Aero Service. Well, shall we return to the car?
All right,
All right, we're back at the car. Thanks for coming with us.
see you on the trails.